Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 20th March 2025. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, or IBBI, has directed insolvency professionals to include a dedicated section in the Information Memorandum explicitly detailing the carry forward of losses under the Income Tax Act 1961. This includes the quantum of losses, breakdown by specific heads, and applicable time limits. The circular is issued under Section 196 of the IBC 2016. In the wake of the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding or MOU between RBI and the Maldives Monetary Authority in November 2024, the Reserve Bank of India has now allowed bilateral trade transactions between India and the Maldives to be settled in Indian rupees and Maldivian Rufiyaa, in addition to the existing Asian Clearing Union mechanism. These instructions shall come into force with immediate effect. The Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme for MSMEs, or MCGS MSME, has been launched for providing 60% guarantee coverage by National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company Limited, or NCGTC, to member lending institutions, or MLIs, for credit facility up to Rs 100 crore sanctioned to eligible MSMEs under MCGS MSME for purchase of equipment or machinery. Billionaire Gautam Adani is in advanced talks to buy the Indian unit of Dubai-based developer MR Group at a potential enterprise value of $1.4 billion, helping Asia's second richest person expand in real estate. The Adani family and MR are discussing the structure of a transaction which could include an unlisted Adani unit infusing about $400 million in equity. An agreement could be reached soon as April, but there is no guarantee of a deal as talks are ongoing. The Directorate General of Trade Remedies, or DGTR, under the Commerce Ministry has recommended a 12% provisional safeguard duty on some steel products to protect the local industry from below cost imports. A final decision will be taken by the Finance Ministry. In a notification, the DGTR said critical circumstances exist wherein any delay in application for provisional safeguard measures would cause damage which could be difficult to repair. The tax will help Indian steel producers counter any potential trade diversions from countries such as Japan and South Korea, following US President Donald Trump's imposition of 25% import tariffs on steel imports from certain countries. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.